Xavier Storms, natural-born heathen Jordan Jensen, who took a previously undiscussed hiatus from Hurricane Pro Wrestling. First, when he lost the Hurricane Pro Championship without even being involved in the decision, he took some time off to regroup, rethink, came back and focused his energies on the tag team division, forming a great team with Tamaku, even capturing the Hurricane Pro tag team titles. But something switched when Jordan lost those titles with Tamaku. He turned his back on his friend in Tamaku, and now he seems to have focused all of his energies on messing with Jared Wayne of the Pump Patrol. We saw him get involved in that matchup earlier tonight, costing Jared Wayne that match against Billy Wayne of the Blue Collar Crew. Why Jordan Jensen is involving himself in the affairs of Pump Patrol and Blue Collar Crew, I'm not sure, but you see, God, this aggression, no other way to put it, from Jordan Jensen in the face of Xavier Storms here. What is switched off in the brain of the former Hurricane Pro champion? This Jordan Jensen, you heard him even when he came out here, this crowd so conditioned to love this man, Jordan Jensen. You got his cheers, but then it's like almost like the switch of everyone remembers, like, oh yeah, Jordan Jensen, this is not the Jordan Jensen of old. This is not the man that we once knew. This is not the man who's been carrying Hurricane Pro Wrestling on his back. Something has changed about Jordan Jensen. And will that change affect his mindset here against the young Xavier Storms? What an upset it would be if Storms was able to put away Jordan Jensen. We'll see here tonight. Got a nice takedown. Woods in control here. You see Jensen grabbing the hair. Thank you again for joining us here for Hurricane Pro Wrestling. We still have our main event as Edge Stone defends the Hurricane Pro Heavyweight title against Tamaku, the former tag team partner of Jordan Jensen here, is out in the crawl of Jordan Jensen. As you see, Jensen refusing, absolutely ignoring the referee's call to let go of the hair, and only after the referee tried to separate that cheap shot onto Xavier Storms, and now just tossing him out to the outside. God, and a big axe handle. Brutal, ugly offense from the natural-born heathen. And I see Storms bring that fight back to Jensen here. God. Vicious chop right to the chest, but Storms return fire here. And Storms in pursuit of Jordan Jensen. Referee urging these two athletes to get back in the ring. Jensen rolls in, but not before getting a cheap shot in on Storms. Now throwing him into the barricade. Jordan Jensen has accomplished everything you can accomplish here at Hurricane Pro, and apparently that's not enough. Look at that! The athleticism of the demigod Xavier Storms. Now this might be all over. Jordan Jensen got that deep, short suplex. Snap suplex, got a 2 count with the float over from Jensen. Jordan Jensen's held every title, every accolade in Hurricane Pro history that he was eligible to get. But something switched off in the brain of Jordan Jensen. He's turned his back on these fans. He's turned his back on the locker room. No one can even approach him in the back anymore, as he's showing that veteran expertise, this forcing Storm to get in the face of the referee. Xavier Storms telling the referee no. Staying in it here with the former Hurricane Pro Heavyweight Champion. And Xavier Storms here, gone! Reverse DDT. Drops Jensen down. Is that enough? Hooks the leg and got a 2 count. And Jensen very close to the ropes here, was able to get the shoulder up and quickly rolls to the outside. You see Jensen feeling the effects. Again, this is Jensen's return here to Hurricane Pro. He took another leave of absence after that brutal war he had with the #1 contender, Tamaku. We weren't sure if we were ever going to see Jordan Jensen again. But not only has he returned back here to Hurricane Pro, but sticking his nose in the business of the superstars once again, getting involved in the business of Jared Wayne, and now getting involved with boots right to the solar plexus of young Xavier Storms. And just powering up Storms with a big scoop slam. Powering down Storms, and again grabbing the hair. Again, effective offense, keeping Storms down. Jordan Jensen almost seemingly disgusted with this crowd, even daring to cheer someone, a newcomer here to Hurricane Pro, over a Hurricane Pro veteran like himself. Goes for a big shoulder block in the corner, finds somebody home, looking for the clothesline on the Storms, who ducks through and returns to the clothesline of his own, and another. Xavier Storms looking, got so much taken out of both these athletes so far. You can see the effects. You can see Jensen again looking for another clothesline, but Storm's able to reverse it into almost a neck breaker there. The only effects, able to get a hook on the leg, and a 2 count only. Brutal smash mouth offense here. And now Storm signaling, going into a new gear, going up the top rope here. Jordan Jensen back to his feet, has no idea that Storm is up on the top rope. Ducks out of the way, and Storms now again going for another neck breaker. These two utilizing those neck breakers. These two are going to be feeling this tomorrow. Now Xavier Storms taunting, waiting for Jensen to get to his feet. Stalking the Hurricane Pro former heavyweight champion. Going for that big spinning kick. But Jensen turns it into a power slam. I only got a 2 count. Quick thinking on behalf of Jensen. And now Jensen measuring Xavier Storms, looking for fastest man alive. Storms, what? Wise gets out of it. Got boot meets the face. A Jensen, is that enough? Only 2 count only. And now Jensen getting set up for Project X, maybe? No, God! Reverses it into a backbreaker right on the knee. The spine of Xavier Storms. Got fastest man alive, connects, and that's it.
Jordan Jensen.
Jordan Jensen was in, I think, a bigger fight than he thought he was going to be here tonight. Got that disgusting expression on his face. What is wrong with this guy? A tough battle. from Xavier Storm. A great showing from the young man. But he had his work cut out for him here with the natural-born heathen Jordan Jensen, who looks incredibly pleased with his handiwork. Nobody kicks out of the fastest man alive. Now wait a minute, this match is over. Jensen, you got the win, and got another. Fastest man alive connects again. And Jensen rolling out. What is wrong with Jordan Jensen? Wait a minute, Jordan Jensen has got a chair in the ring here. What the hell is wrong with this guy? What is wrong with him? The match is over, Jordan. This match is done. Jordan Jensen got the win. But Jensen's got a chair in the ring. Xavier Storm's up to his feet. Just don't turn around. Wait a minute. Here's Punk Sinister. Punk Sinister is on the opposite end of the ring from Xavier Storm. Last we saw these two were opponents, but now sportsman's like, and now wait a minute, Jensen here, fastest man alive, wanted. Punk Sinister onto the chair, my God. Get him out of here. Get Jensen out of here, come on. Disgusting behavior. Natural born heathen indeed. What